In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Tradestation. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet of your trades that you can open in Excel or any spreadsheet app for analysis, reconciliation, or record keeping. Start by opening a web browser and logging in to the Tradestation Client Center. Using a desktop browser is best for this process because downloads are simpler to manage and the interface is easier to navigate. Make sure you're on a stable connection and only sign in on trusted devices to keep your account secure. Once you're in the Client Center, look for the Accounts section. Select Equities Accounts or choose the specific account type you want to work with, such as futures or options if that's where your activity lives. Picking the correct account at this stage ensures you export only the trades you actually want to review. If you have multiple accounts, scan the list carefully to avoid mixing data from different portfolios. Next, click on Tax Center. This is where Tradestation centralizes your downloadable trade and tax-related activity. Inside the Tax Center, find the area labeled Download Tax Activity. You'll see a few settings you can adjust before you pull the file. First, choose your account from the dropdown. Then, set the file format to Microsoft Excel. CSV. Even though it says Excel, a CSV is a plain text file that opens smoothly in Excel, Google Sheets, and most accounting or portfolio tools. It's a universal format, which makes it ideal for importing into other platforms. Now select the date range you want. For yearly reporting, choose the full calendar year. For targeted analysis, set a custom range, like a specific month or quarter. Double-check the dates to make sure they capture your intended trades. You'll also see an option to exclude broken or canceled trades. If you want a clean list of only completed executions, leave this checked. If you're performing deep reconciliation or auditing order flow, you might include them to see every attempt. Choose the setting that matches your purpose. When everything looks right, click Download. Your browser will save a .csv file to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. If you don't see it appear, check your browser's download tray or allow the site to save files if prompted. Open the CSV to confirm the contents and consider renaming it with the account and date range for easier tracking. If you plan to sort or filter in Excel, save a copy as an .xlsx file to preserve formatting and formulas. That's it. You've successfully exported your Tradestation data and are ready to analyze, reconcile, or share it as needed.